kids, good morning to all. So I hope you are staying fit and fine and eating good healthy food too, right? So now you are missing what you are missing so badly. You're missing school, your friends, right? So you used to come here, you do study and you play many games here, right? So you are missing those days, right? So here that only we are going to learn, right? So how much a play means how much the games are important for our life, right? So we play many games, right? So which are good for us, right? So you must be get bored, right? Sitting at home, there's no friends. So what you can do, you when you come out, you play. When you go to park, right? So you play many games like seesaw, slide, right? Rapunzel, there is a puzzles, there are many other games you love to play, right? So that make you more active, right? When you play games, you will be more active in those days, right? So you'll have fun that too, right? So here what are the important that need to play, right? When we play, what will happen? We got so strained, right? So our legs, our hands, our body got exercised, right? So it will work out for the whole body, right? You will run, you will sit, right? So there are many other games that you will play and enjoy, right? So here what important when you play, right? It will give exercise to your body, right? And you feel hungry and you eat more. When you eat more, you will become strong, right? So you drink more water, right? So you do many things and your blood circulation will be flowing very good. So what will happen? So when you play, there will be more useful, right? So when you play, there is good for your health, right? That's why you should play. That doesn't mean you have to play for the whole day. No, right? There is a particular time, right? There is some time you should keep for the play, right? Other things you will be busy with your food, other activities and the studies. After that, you need some refreshment, right? That time what you have to do, you can play, right? You play many things, you play many games, right? You go and you play many other games, right? So here there are indoor and outdoor games, right? In the games there are indoor and outdoor games. What are indoor games? What are the outdoor games? Indoor, right? In the door, right? So in our house only, right? So we are not stepping out to play. We are sitting inside and play many games like what? Chess, right? So we can play chess, carrom board, right? So we can play snake and ladder, right? So we can play board games. So we can play business. So we play many other games, right? So what will happen? So we can play many other games, right? So here, so what are the outdoor games, right? So outdoor itself telling, so we are playing out of the house. There are many games where we play out of the house, right? Like badminton, tennis, kho-kho, cricket. So we can't play these games inside of our house. So some they have made what? For the indoor and for the outdoor. These indoor games, it's for brain games, right? So there is no movement. We sit and play. But here we are giving more on our mind. So how the chess, right? So how the how these how they are moving, right? How the horse is moving. So we have to think and play in indoor games. Here outdoor games also we have to think, but it's more on physical, right? So we have to play. This is physical game and this is mind games, right? So we have many other games, right? Even you love to play games, right? So let us know more about today's lesson, right? So what is that? Play and enjoy, right? So when you play, you definitely enjoy, right? So here, see the lesson here. Observe the following pictures. Put right mark for the games you play at home and in school. There are many other games where you play in your house or in school with your friends, right? So what is that? When you close your eyes, kannu muchale, right? So even this is like very old game. I don't know whether the people were playing this or not, because nowadays what happened, kids, you all are playing in phone only, right? So whether it's a chess, whether it's a carom, whether it's a snake and ladder, you all these games you are all getting in phone only, right? There is no exercise. It will again, what will happen if you play in mobile? It will affect to your eyes, right? So what will happen? It will affect to your eyes. So you should not watch these. So you should not spend more time in mobile, right? So you should play those games, right? So where you have all the materials, like for the chess you need all those horse and the soldiers and all, right? So for the carom you need dice, coins, right? So for the snake and ladder also you need those material, then only you can play. So it is very, what will happen if you play real? You will enjoy. You play with many people. Here in phone you play alone. It will be more boring, right? So when you are playing with your friends, it will be more fun and you enjoy those too. Now this is marbles, right? So catching the ball, right? So snake and ladders. So whichever game you play, you have to tick, okay? Name the games you play in group with your friends. Write the names of 5 such games here, okay? So the games, I just write mine, okay, where you play in group. What are those? Cricket, you can't play alone, right? Cricket, you need many people to play this game, right? So for the cricket, hockey, football, volleyball, kho-kho, right? So these are there are many other games where you need many people, right? You can't play alone. So for these you need many people with you to play, right? So now see the next here. Observe the following picture. Where are they playing these games? Put right mark in the space provided. So first see, what is that? Chokabara, right? So it's a inside or outside game? Inside. In the house only we play with the 2 people or the 4 people, right? So here Chowkabara, it's a inside game where you have to play for, you have to tick for the inside. So here what is that? Hide and seek, right? Kannu muchale, where you will play in the house? No, if with the many people we should play this game where you need many people. So it's a outside play. So it's a outside game. So where you have to play, where you have to tick? Outside. Now see the next one, marbles. So this is also what? Inside the house. Chinni dandu. It's a outside game. Why? Because we can't play this inside. When you play some outside game inside, so what will happen? There is a chances of hitting. So very small place, right? So the chances of hitting. So what you have to do? You should play the games which are meant for inside and outside. If it is inside, you should play inside, and if it is outside, you should play only outside of the house. Here is a list of some outdoor games and indoor games. Put mark in the correct column. Okay, so here the chess. Can you tell me whether it's a indoor game or outdoor game? Yes, it's a indoor game. So you should put mark in indoor. Okay, I'll just make a small column here. Okay, here indoor and the outdoor. Chess, it's an indoor game. Carom, it's also indoor game. Throw ball, is it inside indoor game or outdoor game? It's a outdoor game. Hopping, when you hop at home, there is no place, right? So hopping, it's a outdoor game. Game of squares, game of squares means Chowkabara, right? So it's an indoor game. Lagori, even Lagori is indoor game. And it's an indoor game, right? So cricket, it's a outdoor. I'll just write one more time here. Indoor, outdoor. Okay, so cricket is a outdoor game. Snake and ladder, it's a indoor game. Chess, chase and catch, it's a outdoor game. Skipping, again it's a outdoor game. Spinning top, it's a outdoor game. Spinning top means chinni dand. Okay, volleyball, it's a outdoor game. Kabaddi is also outdoor game. Games which are played inside school or house are called indoor game. Games which are played outside of the house and school are called outdoor games. Okay, so there are many other games where you play inside and the outside of the house. Now see, there is a small exercise. Observe these games. Now what you have to do, just see the games. Okay, observe these games, mark it with square if it is indoor game, mark triangle if it is outdoor game in the boxes provided. Okay, now if you open page number 135, you can see they had given the names. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to write whether it's an indoor or outdoor game, right? So here, see the first one. What is the game? It's a chess. Is it indoor or outdoor? Indoor. For the indoor, what you have to do? You have to put square. Okay, so seesaw. Seesaw, it's a outdoor game. For that, you should put triangle. Hockey. Hockey is a outside game, so you should put triangle. Catching a ball. So again, it's a outdoor game. Football, outdoor game. Marbles, indoor game. Okay, for indoor you have to put like this. For the outdoor you should put triangle. Okay, write the material used in playing these games in the space provided. Okay, so here you have seen or you have played many games, right? You need some material to play those games. If you stand like that, can you play? Some games you not need any materials, but some of those games we need material. Without that we can't play, right? So what materials are required to play a games? So here, see the first one, cricket. What you need? You need first bat, ball and stumps, right? So for Lagori, you need wooden wooden circles or any shape of wooden that you have to play. You need to keep one on one, right? So you need those wooden or any other, or with the stones, or you need ball. For football, you need net and football. Volleyball, so you need even the net, right? So there is if when you are playing football, there is a net like this. If the person is standing here, if you kick here, there is you say goal, right? Like that you need. For the volleyball, here it's a net. How you play like badminton, right? So here you should stand here, the net will be here. Okay, now games with stones. You need you need stones. Snake and ladder, you need dice. Snake and board, board or the these are the marbles, right? So you need to move, right? So that time you need dice, snake and ladder board, right? So here games of squares. you need pause, right? So it is like this, right? So you have seen like this, right? Like that. Pause. Games of marbles, you need marbles. Kabaddi, right? There is no need anything to play this kabaddi because there is about 2 players. There is about 2 teams where there is around 10 people in each group where they should touch and they should come, right? So hide and seek, you need just to cover eyes, you need any cloth, right? So collect pictures of games that are played inside and outside the game, paste them in the space provided. Okay, so you should start to paste, or you can draw any game here which is inside the school, outside the school. You can paste any pictures here where you have played inside of your school and outside of the school, right, with your friends. So there is a small activity for you. What you have to do, you have to join the dots, color the pictures. Okay, so here it's what, when you see the first picture, what does it look? It's a pot, not that, sorry, top, buguri, right? See the next picture, which is what? Ball, right? What you have to do, you have to yes, so you should draw this, okay, and color this. What you have to do, kids, you have to join these and color it neatly. Okay, now see, there is a small rhyme. 100 types of games to play, indoor and outdoor variety of games, right? So we play many games. There's many games. If you find there's many games we play, indoor and outdoor. Lagori and cricket are outdoor games which need a playground to be played. Carom and chess are indoor games, and snake and ladder too, for sure. So carom, chess, snake and ladder are the indoor games. Cricket, football, rush to the grounds, and for the games of squares, sit on the floor. Colorful marbles and spinning tops, round and round goes big small balls. I will play with friends together, enjoying and loving every minute. So here what happened? So you play many games, kids, right? Here it's a rhyme, a poem is telling about games where we play, right? So we play many games, thousands of games we have, and we play indoor and outdoor, right? So for the indoor we can play at the home only, like chess, carom, snake and ladders. But for the outdoor games like cricket, football, volleyball, so we need the ground, otherwise we can't play, right? So we need many people to play that game, right? So when you are playing with your family and friends, you will be having more fun, right? So from today's class, what we learn? How we enjoy playing these games, whether it's indoor and outdoor. We enjoy both, right? So when you play these games, what will happen? Your muscles will get more stronger and you feel hungry and you eat proper food and you drink lots of water, so which is good for our body, right? So what you have to do, you play more games and have fun, kids, right? So this is all about today's class. Thank you for watching. Keep playing, keep enjoying. Thank you.